Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I want to clear up any confusion I may have caused about the corkboard and the synopsis box in Scrivener 3 for Windows, because I realise I didn't say this explicitly in my last video about the synopsis. The corkboard index cards and the synopsis box in the inspector show the same text. If you change the text in one, you change the text in the other. If you have containers without text, such as folders, they likely won't have a filled out corkboard index card, so no text will appear in the corresponding synopsis boxes. If you like planning before writing, starting by using the corkboard is probably easier, as it's a more visual method and you can see everything at once. If you don't plan, but you want to summarise your writing after you've written, using the synopsis box might be best, because you have your manuscript easily there in front of you to refer to. If you print out your synopsis using one of the formats in Compile, you are also printing out your corkboard in normal text form. I'll be showing you how to print it out in card form later this week. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.